New Income Tax Bill 2025. There are some key highlights of the new income tax bill. First is simplification and reduction in length. The new bill condenses the previous 800-page document to approximately 622 pages by eliminating outdated sections and presenting tax rates in tables. Second is introduction of the tax year concept. The bill introduces the concept of a tax year, aligning the assessment period with the financial year, thereby streamlining the tax assessment process. In third, retention of tax slabs with increased exemptions. The new bill largely retains the current tax slabs, but with some important adjustments. In particular, the new tax regime sees an increase in the exemption limit from Rs 250,000 to Rs 400,000 for individuals. Under the old tax regime, the exemption limit remains at Rs 250,000. In particular, the new tax regime sees an increase in the exemption limit from Rs 250,000 to Rs 400,000 for individuals. This change is expected to provide relief to middle-income earners and encourage taxpayers to shift to the new regime. In fourth, capital gains tax remains mostly unchanged. Another key element of the new bill is that capital gains taxation remains largely unchanged. The provisions for short-term and long-term capital gains will continue, along with specific exemptions for certain types of assets, including virtual digital assets. Fifth is clear definitions, specified person and rent. The bill also clarifies the definitions of several terms, including specified person and rent. Specified person. This term is used to define any entity other than an individual or Hindu undivided family. HF. The bill aims to ensure that all entities are clearly categorized for taxation purposes. This clarification ensures that rental income is correctly taxed and there is no ambiguity around property-related income. Implementation timeline. The new income tax bill is expected to come into effect on April 1, 2026, following its passage through Parliament and subsequent approval.